The United States has historically positioned itself as a global leader in technology, and the pursuit of dominance in the cryptocurrency and blockchain industry is no different. From the early days of the Internet to the rise of artificial intelligence, America has consistently sought to stay ahead of the curve, ensuring it remains the hub of innovation and entrepreneurship. When it comes to crypto, this leadership role is seen as crucial because blockchain is not just about digital money. It's the foundation for the next generation of financial systems, data management, and even government infrastructure. By pushing to become a crypto superpower, the U.S. is essentially trying to guarantee that the future of financial technology develops under its influence rather than being dictated by competitors like China, which has already advanced rapidly with its digital yuan. American policymakers, tech companies, and investors view crypto innovation as a way to secure long-term competitiveness, attract global talent, and set international standards that align with U.S. interests. Leadership in blockchain also means leadership in related technologies like decentralized finance, smart contracts, and tokenized assets, which are expected to transform industries from banking to real estate. If the U.S. fails to innovate in this space, it risks losing both economic and geopolitical power. Therefore, America's pursuit of crypto leadership is not simply about money. It's about ensuring its continued dominance in global technology and shaping the rules of the digital economy for decades to come. Financial power has always been central to America's global influence, and the push to become a crypto superpower is deeply tied to maintaining that dominance in the digital age. For decades, the U.S. dollar has been the world's reserve currency, giving America enormous leverage in international trade, global banking, and even diplomacy. However, with the rise of cryptocurrency and digital payment systems, that dominance could be challenged if the U.S. does not take the lead. Countries like China are already developing state-backed digital currencies, and if they set the global standard first, it could weaken the dollar's role and reduce America's ability to shape international finance. By establishing itself as a leader in crypto, the United States can ensure that the next evolution of money still operates under its influence. Beyond just protecting the dollar's status, controlling the crypto landscape also means influencing how cross-border payments, decentralized finance, and blockchain-based assets are used worldwide. If American companies, regulators, and innovators lead this space, the U.S. can continue to dictate financial norms and policies that align with its economic and security interests. In other words, crypto dominance is not only about economic opportunity, but also about maintaining strategic control over the global financial system. America understands that whoever leads in digital currencies will hold immense soft power, shaping how nations, businesses, and individuals interact financially. This is why crypto leadership is seen as a critical extension of America's financial influence on the world stage. The crypto industry represents one of the fastest-growing sectors in the global economy, and America sees it as a powerful engine for economic growth and job creation. Much like the technology boom of the 1990s, blockchain and cryptocurrency are spawning entirely new industries, from crypto exchanges and digital wallets to decentralized finance DeFi platforms and NFT marketplaces. Each of these sectors requires skilled workers, software developers, data analysts, compliance officers, cybersecurity experts, and financial advisors, opening up thousands of high-paying jobs for Americans. Beyond employment, the crypto market is attracting massive investment from venture capital firms, institutional investors, and even traditional banks that want to expand into digital assets. This flow of capital not only strengthens the financial sector, but also fuels the creation of startups that could grow into the next generation of tech giants. Moreover, cities and states across the U.S. are competing to become crypto hubs by offering tax incentives, welcoming blockchain companies, and promoting innovation-friendly policies. For example, regions like Miami, New York, and Texas have already seen surges in crypto-related businesses, boosting local economies and diversifying job markets. On a broader scale, leading the crypto economy allows the U.S. to attract global talent, keeping top innovators and entrepreneurs from migrating to more crypto-friendly nations. In short, crypto is more than just digital money. It's an economic catalyst. By positioning itself as a crypto superpower, America is betting on innovation to drive long-term economic growth, create jobs, and secure its place as the center of the world's financial future. National security and regulation are two of the most critical reasons America wants to lead in cryptocurrency, as the stakes go far beyond economics. Without strong regulation and control, crypto markets can be vulnerable to misuse, such as money laundering, tax evasion, cybercrime, and even terrorist financing. If foreign powers or hostile actors dominate the digital currency space, the U.S. risks losing visibility and control over global financial flows, weakening its ability to enforce sanctions or protect its financial system. By stepping in as a regulatory leader, America can set global standards that not only protect its own economy, but also influence how the rest of the world uses crypto. Regulation also gives legitimacy to the industry, creating safer conditions for businesses, investors, and everyday consumers. For example, clear rules can attract more institutional investment, while protecting small investors from fraud and scams. From a security perspective, blockchain technology itself can strengthen defense systems, offering transparent and tamper-proof ways to track transactions and monitor suspicious activity. But leadership requires balance. The U.S. must design policies that encourage innovation without driving companies to relocate to more lenient countries. By leading both on regulation and national security measures, America ensures it can control the rules of the game while keeping its financial system safe from external threats. In the end, dominating crypto isn't just about technology or profits. It's about safeguarding national interests, protecting citizens, and ensuring the U.S. remains the most secure and trusted financial power in the digital age. The future of money is rapidly shifting toward digital, and America understands that leading this transition is vital to preserving its financial power. As consumers move away from cash and even traditional banking, digital assets, blockchain payments, and central bank digital currencies (CBDCs) are gaining traction worldwide. The U.S. does not want to be left behind while other nations, particularly China with its digital yuan, establish dominance in the digital currency space. By exploring the creation of a digital dollar, America is aiming to modernize its financial system and ensure that global trade continues to flow through U.S.-backed infrastructure. A digital dollar would make payments faster, more secure, and more accessible, benefiting both businesses and consumers. It could also enhance financial inclusion by providing millions of unbanked or underbanked Americans with access to digital money through smartphones. On a global level, controlling the world's most trusted digital currency would help maintain the dollar's role as the backbone of international commerce, while also protecting U.S. influence over cross-border transactions. Beyond the digital dollar, the U.S. wants to shape the future of blockchain-based payments, decentralized finance, and tokenized assets, all of which are expected to revolutionize industries from real estate to supply chains. By leading this shift, America not only secures its role as a financial superpower, but also ensures that the values of transparency, security, and innovation define the future of money. For the U.S., becoming the crypto superpower is essentially about owning the financial systems of tomorrow.